Welcome to our YouTube channel, Labels, Flexibles and more. We have Ajay Gandhi from Kunal Enterprise. In Pamex, we'll ask Ajay sir, what are you displaying? What is your focus in the show, sir?
We have 9 highlight of the show. One is foiling, screen printing by foiling. Second is screen printing, inkjet and foiling in one go. Okay. Third thing is we are highlighting glass printing. Okay. And also we are highlighting here is like screen printing and foiling by screen printing. Then we are highlighting Natgraph electronic UV dryer where you can save the energy. UV of electricity goes up.
Okay.
And also we are highlighting heat exchanging. You can save the when you are printing solvent or you are printing for a high temperature. So you don't need more power to consume. It is heat exchanging. And also we are highlighting a dryer solution, retrofit for a reel to reel with web to web machine, any kind of machine from Natgraph. So this also highlighting. Also we are highlighting computer to screen. We are recently installing CST in industrial printing zone application in classic type. Right now the show is going on. Our installation is also going on in computer in classic type.
Okay.
And we are also expecting one more class CST in industrial printing, hopefully in ceramic transfers. Also we are showing glass printing. Of course glass printing we started last year, but glass printing for architecture glass, for solar glass, also glass for electrical hub and glass for automobiles. Nowadays glass are very big playing role for glass printing machines and screen printing. So basically with the Pamex we are printing, all related with printing. And also we are showing PET print. We just now signed a contract with a company called Teca-Print. It's a Swiss company. So where uneven surface, which is not a flat, like a golf ball, watch, like a Swiss knife, bottles. So we introduce very PET printing. It's a very high quality printing company, a Swiss company. So it's Teca-Print. So we just signed a last week contract. So we are going to distribute in India this machine. So we show you the samples and everything to you. And also we have a special clean room material like cleaning for any all industrial printing. You need a clean room. So we are keep on adding a clean room material. We will show you that also. Also we are doing a Sakurai has introduced a contract manufacturing. See, because nowadays a functional ink. Functional ink means a functional ink for packaging, commercial print, industrial printing is getting big play role. So to print that and to do mass production, you need a big investment. So people who have something in mind and they really initially don't have to invest, but then you do some trial, job running, like a prototype running.
Correct.
They can go to Sakurai. Of course, there are some fee for that. You pay them and you satisfied that you can do this and it's approved by your client. This thing, then you can buy a machine from them. So it's like a prototype, approval and then big investment. It's called contract manufacturing. This also we are showing here. And of course, a functional ink which we had started, and we have a couple of good install. We have a lot of people are developing that thing. Printed batteries, then copper inks for RFIDs, and also for packaging and labels people are using for. So we'll show you smart label and everything. These are we are introducing.
So you have added many products.
Yeah.
So according to the time you upgrade the products, right?
Yeah. It's we think there are opportunities, and we consider printing business is not only paper. It's a big thing. It's a lot of textile transfer, ceramic transfer. Then it is for
paper.
It is not paper. It's called industrial printing. And nowadays a lot of traditional method also converting into printing. After the inks are available, conductive inks are available, and also in this show you see many foiling. So we added a lot of product here. We feel that there is a demand, and they are successful in the international market. So we added that.
Now, how is the response in this show, sir?
Yesterday was sort of slow. Today is picked up very good. So I hope that 2 days will be more good. And this time I feel the Pamex is different. It's like a big. Normally Pamex is I think last time it was one or two pavilion, with some 3 pavilion. And yesterday I read about Pamex news, 20,000 footprint registered. So today maybe more because it's very crowded. everywhere very crowded.
Right.
So you feel that in stall and in the restaurant also.
Yeah.
So,
Can you just walk through the product, like the printing
yeah,
materials?
we'll first show you what company we are, and then we show you all the samples. Okay, we can do that. Yeah. We start. Okay, so Kunal Enterprise, and in this we have all these company. We are partners for in India. Sakurai, is good, very good for roll-to-roll silk printing machine. Natgraph for industrial applications. DMake for world of doming and memlum. Cougar for glass printing machines. Microtech for solution of printing electronics, and especially for diabetic strips and MLC, LTC components and solar wafers. Keywell for pre-press solutions and some of the dryers and flatbed machines. This CST competitive screen, we just now mentioned, it is installed in classic stripe. Sun SGM for very odd shape folding machine for fast food, everything. Silk stuff for roll-to-roll flatbed screen machine. We have material division. We'll show you what material we are doing it. Then Saralon is a functional ink. These people are here today, but he's not well. Steve is here from Germany. Then Teca-Print. This is just the last week we added a pad printing on uneven surface, like a Swiss knife and everything. Okay. Now we'll show you some of the samples we display. Now these are the samples where solar wafer. You can see solar wafer can be printed by screen printing. Okay. And this was what is future for screen printing. Just. And then we have foiling samples. Then we have foiling samples. Then we have these are printing on uneven surface. You can see it's printing on an uneven surface like a Swiss knife and some eyeglass and some of the keychain and everything, or pan. You can print it. It's from Teca-Print. Then we have also a lot of functional. Can you see the labels are functional labels? You can see labels functional, and there are some of the RFID, and these are some of the functional link. It's just a printing. It is not anything. It's just a printing. Okay. So these are there, and then we can come down here, and here you can. Sorry. Here these are all functional ink samples from Saralon. Some are for POP. Some are like example. You can see here, like it's when I touch it right here. Okay. So these are all functional, and also like example. You can see anything. Okay. And also, and all these are functional ink where you can do different applications are there. Example, this is done for Mercedes company. Okay. So this is functional. Then we have material division here. We have material division where a squeegee is there. There are special aluminum frame which are international for quality. We made a mold here. There are micro squeegee for conductive and for solars. These are a pad printing, Teca-Print from pad, and these are all the inks. And also these are printed batteries. These are a real sample for printed batteries. Okay. And these are some of the wipes. And also these are printed on machine for components for MLCLC samples. You can see this from Microtech. Okay. These are very big future. Nobody do in India this, so it's a future for thing. And also we introduce ink for stretchable for cloth, garment, a stretchable ink. So nothing circuit will not break. So stretchable. Also, I think these are also stretchable. These are conductive ink for stretchable. Then also for diabetic strips. This is not real, but just put Sakurai. You can use for diabetic strip printing when you measure sugar for diabetic. Then recently we installed this. We installed many textile transfer. Recently we did in Unitech, Nisiart. Then we have Aero Textile Delta Cloud. This machine we installed in textile transfers. So it's a transfer printing. Then this is Inkjet inkjet and digital screen printing by Sakurai, the new technology. These are for membrane switch printing. These are, some of the heater printing. These are for battery printing. This again a very good sample for screen printing, inkjet, foiling in one part. Nobody do, I think all the exhibition you see, nobody give you one solution for one line. We give you a screen printing, digital and foiling once go. And you can see the quality of this machine. This foiling, the quality, and you can do a small one. It's very good quality. There is no loss. You can do as detailing is here. And here, label. See, now you are from label. So can you see the label by screen printing? And this foiling for labels, for screen printing. So it's a very good quality for label or foiling. And of course, these are some metallic printing from Sakurai. These are for signages, backlit, point of purchase, for packaging, value addition and foiling. These are also value additions. These are lenticular 3D printing by screen printing. Okay. These are the 3D printing by metallic and 3D printing by screen printing. These are all foiling samples. And this also lenticular for 3D printing by screen printing. So you can see 3D printing, screen printing is a very good quality. Now not like a normally, it can match with any process of printing. And advantage of screen printing is it can take any substrate, deposition of ink which no process, flexo, gravure, digital offset can give ink deposition which screen printing can do. So you can see the foiling. This is a very good sample which is a foiling with micro embossing. The total screen printing. Okay, these are some of the foiling effect. And this shows that these are our 2023 calendar. This is a screen printing, totally screen printing calendar. This is liked by everybody in the world. This shows us, gold foiling, blue foiling, and holographic foiling. But it also shows us by screen printing, you can print circuits. So this is a simulation, but this kind of track and printing gives there are track. This all track can be printed by screen printing. Okay. And these are, like doming is used in automobiles, and these are doming samples. So we supply machines and materials. And also there are metal labels for car. You see the emblem, all the metal label like a Chromex written, and all these are labels for, for logos. These are also we supply machines, material, complete solutions. Okay. And also these are the applications. My company cover up all these applications which we are in the business. All these applications. So I think if you see when you go through everything, Kunal Enterprise is a complete solution for all the printers who want to go in these areas. All kind of printers, from a label to flexo to rotogravure to offset to screen printing. So we cover all these industrial applications, and we have a complete one place solution for a screen printing related industrial. We don't say screen printing is a process, but we can any industrial printing solution we are there. Okay.
Thank you for your time.
Thank you. Bye. Thank you. Bye.